It's Wednesday, so malapit na kaming umuwi kasi tomorrow na yung funeral. And Friday, babiyahe na kami. Start na ng biyahe natin pabalik ng Bundaberg. So, kailangan natin magpahinga tomorrow night. On Thursday night. Yeah, tomorrow night. Sana makapagpahinga and babiyahe tayo ng Friday. Pero, mag-check-in naman kami ng hotel starting Friday and Saturday. So, good luck sa akin sa pagdadrive ko. Sana hindi sumakit yung ulo ko. Lately kasi sumasakit yung ulo ko tsaka yung dito ko. Kaya, pagbalik ko, papatingin ko kay Doc kasi medyo nagiging worse siya. Sumasakit talaga yung left, ko. Yung from my butt down to the thighs, sumasakit siya. Siguro dahil nga doon, nabugbog doon sa pagdadrive ko last time. And, yun. Si Habi nagsha-shower. Nangati yung leg ko. Pupunta kami ngayon dun sa kung saan siya nag-work before sa rail station. Papakita niya sa akin yung kanyang pinagtrabahuhan doon. Nanggaling kami before sa tawag dito, sa kung saan siya nakatira before sa Spring. Kasi hindi ko na pinakita kasi may mga nakatira doon na nakatingin sa amin, kaya hindi ko na nakunan ng video yung dati nilang bahay. Ito kasi bagong bahay lang to ni Dad last siguro mga 3 years na. Ayun. So, abangan niyo yung pasyal namin later. Pasyal namin kayo sa rail station. See you later. Lots of chairs.
Come along.
Massage
And it feels so bright. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. I'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. I'm smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align.
So, ito yung in-order ko for brunch. Chicken burger with fries. I told them not to put any vegetable, pero may vegetable. Ito yung lunch ni Habi. Salmon ako. You call it salmon.
Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's
bahay, tapos hindi kami natuloy doon sa rail station kasi close siya ng Wednesday and Thursday, so hindi ako naipasyal ni Habi doon. Pero nakita ko naman yung pinaka rail station, yung museum, hindi namin napasok kasi nga close. And then dumiretso na lang kami doon sa Big W, yung maliit na mall doon, maraming establishment. Doon kami nag brunch and nag-ikot ng konti. And then afterwards, umuwi na din kami. And when we got here, yun, dumating yung pinsan niya, si Susie at saka si Tom. So, na-meet ko na rin sila. And yung kapatid niyang lalaki, dumating din si John Charles tsaka si Scarlett. So, nagkaroon ng chika-chika. Umuulan kasi, kaya hindi kami masyadong nakalabas. Lalabas sana kami for dinner. Kaso, umuulan, lakas ng ulan. So, stay na lang sa bahay and ayan, dito na lang kakain. And tomorrow is yung big day. So, tomorrow funeral ni Dad. So, magiging busy kami tomorrow. So, I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching.